Hadian balami kijing persya ban penkut ya kata masa cherry blossom ha kakat kendai tari kunai wing arja pulai kabahap ru ha kesngiu blai kesenjuk irang bas nong Ribhoi district ha kajanmit jong lifeway tari urisau arja pulai kalau ong baya mentau senam anam la ban lei isu hendrai hakis nam ban wan pat om dai ban penlong ya kani kata masa ha kesngiu blai General Secretary jong senjok uba PB seliang ulang banakal liang jong senjok hi kam dan jing persya halor ketika tarik ban penkut ya kata masa cherry blossom namar baga sorkar kala dep ban bu bat pen bai lupa ya katarik banakal liang ke dorbas nong jong kelum dat klab hoi rembang kila dep ban a ya ke NOC
to ha kabidi bat kanika cherry blossom kapan solong hau in nai November jangan jong i ke senjuk kumolong menta nimdon gono kajing persya namar ba ban persya kumut ba ia kapan sawan ke mari kini kapan nakaliang jong sarkar kala bubek ia katarik ngimla bali isu to ia kita giba persyaru kidan ya ka hok pan persno jadi nakaliang jong i ka senjuk ngi yang pedang ai bakanika bakanika sarkar kala pendek kan ia bek enti namar banakaliang jong kadar pasnong kabadi ka concern hang tu kabadi pek ia ka badi khmi ia tu jaka hang tu kila dep ai ka permission nakaliang jong senjuk ile ngimdon kono kajing persya bat ke ka bangin ban pensno hang ni kalong ba ngin hapan sim patde ia kanik senjam balasai lanila sisi lanila sim snap ngin hapan pek igitarik ha karukom gobir kabayang kenang bakan nombu kata kajing persya lani kajing sngo ya no reno ta kata kapan nakaliang jungi gidon ban persno kung senjok ha kabdi bat ka ai cherry blossom.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.